Hello, where to?
Hi, to the train station, please.
Sure, fast way or slow way?
Fast way, please. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. Traffic is good now.
That's great. How much will it cost?
Around $20, maybe less.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course, card is fine.
Perfect. Is the air conditioning okay?
Sure, I'll turn it up. Too cold?
No, it's good, thank you.
First time in this city?
Yes, it's my first visit.
Nice. The station is very modern.
Oh, good. Is there a coffee shop there?
Yes, two. One near the entrance.
Great, I need coffee before my trip.
Here we are. That's $18.50.
Here's my card. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
You too, bye.
Hi there.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Styles.
Thanks. I'm just looking around.
Take your time. Let me know if you need help.
Actually, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
And the blue one next to it?
That one's $30. It's premium cotton.
Oh, that's pricey. Any discounts?
If you buy two, you get 10% off.
How about these pants?
They're on sale for $40 today.
What was the original price?
$55. It's a good deal.
Do you have cheaper options?
Yes, these cotton pants are $28.
Perfect. Can I try them on?
Of course, the fitting room's over there.
Thanks, I'll take them.
Great, cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your receipt. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hi, Mark. Do you know any good cafes around here?
Hey, Lisa. Yes, there's a great one called Morning Brew.
Where is it? Is it close?
Very close. Just 2 blocks that way.
Perfect. Do they have good coffee?
The best. And their cakes are delicious, too.
Sounds great. What about lunch places?
Try Pasta House if you like Italian food.
Is it expensive?
Not too bad. About $10 to $15 per meal.
That works. Is there a park nearby to walk after?
Yes, Riverside Park is lovely. just 5 minutes walk.
Wonderful. Any good bookstores in the area?
There's Book Nook near the station.
Do they have English books?
Some, but not many. Need English books?
Yes, I want to practice my English reading.
Then try the library. They have more English books.
Good idea. Where's the library?
On Main Street, next to the post office.
Thanks. You know all the good places.
I've lived here for years. Need anything else?
No, that's perfect. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Enjoy exploring.
I will. See you later.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hey, Sarah, I'm good. Listen, can we meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time?
At 3:30.
Sorry, did you say 3:13 or 3:30?
3:30.
Okay. And where?
At the coffee shop on Main Street.
Which one? There are two on Main Street.
The one near the bank. You know it?
Not sure. Can you spell the name?
Sure, it's Breweed.
Brood, yes, I know it now, thanks.
Great. Oh, and bring your friend.
My friend Anna?
No, the other one with short hair.
Oh, you mean Lisa.
Yes, Lisa, that's right.
Got it. So tomorrow at 3:30 at Brood with Lisa.
Exactly. Did I say anything confusing?
No, it's clear now. Thanks for explaining.
No problem. See you then.
Wait, AM or PM?
PM in the afternoon.
Perfect. See you tomorrow. Hi, John. Do you live in a house or apartment?
Hey, Sarah, I live in a small house. It's cozy.
Nice. How many rooms does it have?
3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and a kitchen, of course.
That sounds perfect. Is there a living room?
Yes, it's small but comfortable. I watch TV there.
Lovely. Do you have a garden?
Just a tiny backyard, no front garden.
My apartment has a balcony. I love it.
That's nice. Is your apartment big?
Not really. 1 bedroom, 1 living room.
Do you have neighbors upstairs?
Yes, but they're quiet. Do you have neighbors?
Just one house next to mine. They're friendly.
Great. What's your favorite room?
The kitchen. I love to cook. You?
My bedroom. It's very peaceful.
Is your apartment near the city center?
Yes, very close. What about your house?
It's in a quiet neighborhood, 15 minutes by bus.
That sounds nice. Do you like living there?
Yes, it's perfect for me. How about you?
I like my apartment, but I want a bigger one.
Maybe next year. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.